Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the CEL explosion near the stone wall reinforced with glass concrete material. That's a new material as a protector. You can see here is a surrounding the Eulerian domain, and the TNT can move through that and propagate through that. And let me remove this domain here. And now see these two parts. This is the red is stone, and the green is the glass concrete. Let me click on the contour plot shape, click on animate. Let me check it in this view to have a better view. This is the glass concrete. This is so softer than the normal concrete. You can see the damage happen. Now let me replace just the glass concrete. This is the stone, first the stone. The damage parameter, see? That is the damage propagation. Now the pressure. Plastic strain, it is equal, something like that. The damage. It is fully damaged, see? And now let me replace the glass. And this is the glass concrete. Let me check the tension damage for this. And this is the view of all part. Let me use feature edge. Let me use this volume fraction to check the TNT expansion here. Let me make this, for instance, velocity. Click on animate. This is the initial TNT volume. Then because of the JWL equation and the volume fraction method, the volume expanded and it makes pressure on the wall resistance against, but after a while it failed. You can see that here. And this is the final view, see? And now we can check it, the stress, make it pressure, to check the pressure, see, on the wall. And we can now make it, for instance, the damage. Again, click on animate. Let me check it in this view now and make it this. See the TNT propagation. And that's the huge pressure on the wall, and then the wall failed. See here, failed, and TNT volume moved through that. See here. See here. This is the TNT go throughout the wall. So let me use this view. Make it this. Okay, and check the density or volume. In the volume we can make this 100 to have a better view, continuous view. Click on animate. This is the first volume, then it's propagated, the volume increases during the time, and this volume also put a huge pressure on the wall. See here, the wall resistance and the direction is changed of the movement, but after a while, see here, the wall failed. You can see that here. Okay, if you need to model the exact explosion, the method, all details. Also, you need to model class concrete as a new material, the stone, the failure of the stone wall or stone part. You can provide this tutorial. How? First, come to our website here, www.abaqusfem.com. All these files are original because maybe some other guy use a copy of this and make something similar, but they don't have knowledge to answer your question. So here is the original one. This is the tutorial. Click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the title here and then the geometry and the part section. This is the TNT, this is the class concrete stone and the surrounding, and then the definition of the material, method, step, interaction, load, and then the result as figures. The file contains CAINP English video file step by step reference paper, and the cost for that is 30 euros. We use a PayPal account, a Visa, or a MasterCard for the payment. If you have one of these ways, contact me through this email and then you will receive the tutorial. Also, if you want to learn all things in Abaqus deeply, provide our full package here. The Abaqus full package contains more than 400 tutorials. In this full package, we gather all our tutorials during 6 years that we have made, and you can have them here all in one package. And it is about all things, you know. If you learn it, you would be able to do the simulation in mechanical engineering, civil engineering, material science, I don't know, electromagnetic, anything, because it contains all things, you know. You will have the main you can see the main titles here, but there are many other titles that we didn't mention it here. You can see it here. These are the titles with many tutorials. So if you want this exceptional package, contact me on this email. The cost for this package is too affordable, because if you want to provide something like that, you need to pay a huge amount of money, but here you can provide it with a small budget. So thank you for your attention.